Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. Today we are going to see the standard 10th Maths 1 chapter number 2 from that quadratic equation. Now here, before going to start the quadratic equation, we have studied the last year that polynomials. That is, in that polynomials, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and more than 3 terms, that is in a polynomials. Now here one example we will take this 5x. 5x is in a monomial where x is a variable, 5 is the coefficient, and the term 4 is also in a monomial, that is in a constant term. If you will write the same in this way, that is 5x plus 4, this is in a binomial term, that is 5x plus 4. Now 3x square plus 2x plus 5, if you will write, this is having the 3 term, that is in a trinomial. Here the degree of x is in a 2 maximum degree, and in the previous example 5x plus 4 degree is 1, so it is in a linear equation in one variable. Now if I will write the equation in this way, that is 3x square plus 7x raised to 4 plus 5x plus 7, here it is having more than 3 terms, so it is in a polynomial. And here the degree, the maximum degree, that is maximum index of the x is in a 4, so it is not a quadratic equation. Now here some activities there. Activity: classify the following polynomial as a linear and a quadratic polynomial. Few examples are here. 5x plus 9. Here in this example, the x variable is having the degree 1, so it is in a linear equation, that is linear polynomial. In the second equation, x square plus 3x minus 5, here the variable x having the degree 2, so it is in a quadratic equation, that is x square plus 3x minus 5. Next example, 3x minus 7. Here the variable x is having the degree 1, so it is in a linear polynomial. 3x square minus 5x. Here the variable x is having the degree 2, that is an index 2, so it is in a quadratic polynomial. And the last example, 5x square. Here also the variable x is having the degree 2, so it is in a quadratic polynomial. Now another one activity is there. That is x square plus 3x minus 5, 3x square minus 5x, and 5x square. Write the polynomial in the index form, observe the coefficient and fill in the blanks. X square plus 5x minus 5. Second equation, 3x square minus 5x plus 0, we are written in the index form. 5x square plus 0x plus 0, this is an index form of that equation. Now we are writing the coefficient of x square. In the first equation, the coefficient of x square is 1. In the second equation, the coefficient of x square is 3. In the third equation, the coefficient of x square is 5. Coefficient of x are, in the first equation is 3, it is given. In the second equation is minus 5. In the third equation it is not given, that is 0. Constant term, in the first equation the constant term is minus 5. In the second equation that is 0. And in the third equation that is 0. Now the standard form of the quadratic equation, the equation involving one variable and having the 2 as a maximum index or a degree of the variable is called as a quadratic equation. That is general form. General form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real number, where a is not equal to 0. This is in a standard form of the quadratic equation. Now here one example is there, that is x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Write this equation in the standard form, that is standard form is an x square plus 0x minus 4 is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 4. And now second equation is there, y square is equal to 27y minus 7. Write it in the general form, that is y square minus 27y plus 7 is equal to 0. This plus 27 shifted to the other side of this equal to sign, it becomes minus 27, minus 7 it shifted to the other side, it becomes plus 7 is equal to 0. Now here by comparing a y square plus by plus c is equal to 0, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 27 and c is equal to 7. And the last example, that is x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x is equal to 0. Write it in the standard form, x square plus 2x plus 0 is equal to 0. There compare it with the general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 0. Now write any two quadratic equation. This is an open-minded question. Everybody's answer will be the different now here. 4x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the one quadratic equation. Second one, 5x square plus 3x is equal to 0. This is also a quadratic equation. Now second question, decide which of the following are the quadratic equation. In this question 6 examples are there. We are solving the odd number examples, that is first one, x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. In this equation that is x is an variable having x is a variable that is variable with the highest degree, with the highest index or degree, index 2, so it is a quadratic equation. Now here write it in the general form first, that is multiply both sides by y, so it will become y in bracket y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2 into y, that is y cube plus 1 is equal to 2y, that is y raised to 3 minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. in this equation, y is a variable with the highest index 3. So it is not a quadratic equation. Now fifth example, m plus 2 m minus 5 is equal to 0. Solve the bracket. M in bracket m minus 5 plus 2 in bracket m minus 5 is equal to 0. M square minus 5m plus 2m minus plus into minus minus 5 2s are 10 is equal to 0. M square minus 5m plus 2m, subtract it but keep the greater number sign, that is minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. In this equation, m is in a variable with the highest index 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Now question number 3, write the following equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then write the value of a, b, c for each equation. First one, 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. Now this minus y square shifted to the other side of the is equal to sign, it will become y square plus 2y, this plus 10 shift to the other side, it becomes minus 10 is equal to 0. Comparing equation with ax square, that is ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 10. Third example, x square plus 5x is equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus x. X square plus 5x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square plus 5x minus x, subtract it but keep the greater number sign, plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 3. A fifth example, p in bracket 3 plus 6p bracket complete is equal to minus 5. Solve the bracket down. that is 3p plus 6p square is equal to minus 5. That is 6p square plus 3p plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing equation with ap square plus bp plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 5. Question number 4. Determine whether the value of the given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation or not. That is, two examples are there. First example, it is an homework for you. Second example I am taking here. 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. Put m is equal to 2 in LHS. That is 2m square minus 5m. This is an LHS. In this put the value of m, that is 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2, that is 2 into 4 minus 10. 2 4s are 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10, that is plus and minus separated but keep the greater number sign, minus 2, which is not equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 2 is not a root of given quadratic equation. Now put m is equal to 5 upon 2. The LHS is equal to 2m square minus 5m. In this put the value of m, that is 2 into 5 upon 2 bracket square minus 5 into 5 upon 2, that is 2 into 25 upon 4 minus 25 upon 2, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2, 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2 cancel. Therefore 0 is equal to RHS. Therefore m is equal to 5 upon 2 is a root of given quadratic equation. Now example number 5th, find the k if x is equal to 3 is the root of the equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. If x is equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0, put x is equal to 3 in given equation. Kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. K into 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. That is 9k minus 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. 9k minus 30 plus 3 subtracted but keep the greater number sign, that is minus 27 is equal to 0. Therefore 9k is equal to 27. This minus 27 shifted to the other side of the is equal to sign. K is equal to 27 upon 9 shifted to the other side of the is equal to sign, it becomes division. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, k is equal to 3. Now one activity is there. Sixth example, one of the root of the equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Solution: minus 7 upon 5 is a root of the quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. So put m is equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the equation, that is 5 into minus 7 upon 5 square plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5. Now here, this I will do it in the rough work now here. 5 into minus 7 square means minus 49, plus 49 upon 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, that is 49 upon 5 plus minus 2 into 7, that is 14 upon 5. Again the second step I will do it in the rough work. 49 upon 5 minus 49 upon 5, LCM is 5, 49 minus 14, that is equal to 35 upon 5, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, that is 7 plus k is equal to 0, therefore k is equal to minus 7 plus 7 shifted to the other side, it becomes a minus 7, k is equal to minus 7.